Now I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to make whipped cream out of our Taylor by Frigomat C004. I'm going to take 1 quart of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to show you how easy, again, is to flavor. I'm just going to put about 8 pumps of just a vanilla coffee syrup. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little shake to stir it. I'm going to take off my lid, and I'm going to slowly pour it into the container that's down below. Once it's poured in, we can go ahead and turn the machine on by the press of a button. In about a few minutes, it will be completely refrigerated below 41 degrees. And even before it's refrigerated, we can go ahead and start making our fresh whipped cream by a press of this blue button. That's how easy it is to make fresh homemade whipped cream just with air. If you want any additional information, please visit us at absandtaylor.com.